Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you where your fuel filter is on your 2004 Nissan Frontier, and this is it. You take it out and you put it in this bracket. Here's the original one that I took out. This is the original from Nissan, so if they're hard to find, if you don't know what you're looking for, then you're never going to find it. And this one has been changed forever because you got black stuff coming out, so I'm going to go show you where it's at. So if you're looking for your fuel filter, so here's your fuel lines, and you can tell they go on the passenger side of the vehicle. So you go down the passenger side of the vehicle, follow the frame rail, bam, there's your fuel filter. So it's pretty easy little stuff. This applies the same concept to any vehicle if you're looking for a fuel filter. Okay guys, so with any fuel filter, if you're trying to find one, these are your fuel lines here, and you can find the fuel lines by going to your engine bay, like here, and then following your fuel line as long as it's on that side of the vehicle until you find a fuel filter. If you go all the way back to your fuel tank and you don't find a fuel filter, you don't have one. But this is where I have. So we have this bracket here, and then I'm going to tighten that up here in a second. And then we are going to put this bracket back on. You can see how it kind of covers everything up. You won't be able to see it. So that's how it goes on. So you got this bracket that goes on, and you want to make sure this big part here goes this way. And when you take it off, you want to plug this side up with a spark plug or a bolt, because if you don't, then it's going to naturally vent out of the gas tank. You got a big mess here on the bottom, which I kind of do right now, but I just want to make sure it's all plugged off. And this is how it looks once it's all put back together. So you come around the corner, and it's right here by the fuel tank. You look up, there it is. So if you're not looking for it, it's kind of hard to see, especially when this old filter was on there. It was just, you know, very old looking, so it blended in with everything else, and it was hard to identify it was a fuel filter. So thanks for watching, appreciate it. If you guys like my video, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and as always, I'm just trying to help you guys be your own mechanic and save a couple extra bucks. So thanks again.